Day, small businesses are the heart of our neighborhoods and our economy. It's those shops, bars, and offices that we see every day that are part of our lives. But today, cyber threats are getting bigger and bigger. Small businesses are an easy target, and this puts our work, our data, and our peace of mind at risk. We cannot ignore these threats. Cybersecurity is key to protecting what we've built. Discover the SYLink Box, a cybersecurity solution designed especially for small businesses. Simple, powerful, and quick to install. Not tech-savvy? No problem. SYLink Box installs in just 5 minutes, with no complicated configurations required. From the first minute, protect your network in real time and block all threats before they reach your devices. Thanks to its 7-inch touchscreen, it is very easy to understand and visualize the health status of the computer network. SYLink Box protects all your devices automatically: computers, mobiles, printers, and even your security cameras and other connected objects. Total and automatic protection. Against viruses, phishing, malware, and DDoS attacks, SYLink Box defends your data and your peace of mind. Even those devices that we often forget to protect, such as cameras or alarm systems, are safe with SYLink Box. Thank you for your attention. For any questions or additional information, please feel free to contact us by email or phone. See you soon.